Welcome to Juicy Cars. My name is Eric, and today we're going to take a drive in this 2021 Nissan Sentra SR with the manual transmission. We're going to take a city POV drive here in Toronto, so we're going to do the acceleration run as always, and all the stats you can want about this Sentra on the right hand side right now. Of course, as always, as I don't talk too much in these POV drives, you can find the full review about this Nissan Sentra SR, what I think about it, acceleration test, handling test, interior, exterior, all, literally everything. You can find that in the top right hand corner to check that out. And yeah, other than that, I think I'll take a quick look here. That's the key. And let's get in to the Sentra. Also, I haven't driven a manual in more than 2 years. So please don't be too hard on me. My shifting won't be perfect. Okay? I just want to get this disclaimer out. I'm just going to skip forward here in the video so we can directly go to the acceleration run. Okay, here we come. This Sentra is equipped with the naturally aspirated 2-liter inline 4, producing 149 horsepower and 146 pound-feet of torque. Let's go in a second here. Go lower, and didn't even need to shift there. That was just all first gear. So I honestly kind of wished we had to shift there. But okay, well, there goes that one. We were shifting plenty in this. Obviously, at 149 horsepower, it's not going to be the quickest on the road, but this manual transmission definitely makes driving a lot more exciting if you're looking forward to that, if that's what you're looking for. And it's definitely the better choice. Don't go with the CVT. Trust me, don't go with the CVT. That's just a training. That's not an actual fire. Just FYI. I wasn't pressing the gas there. I was in the car. Just FYI. I didn't give gas while we're not moving. It is really nice though to be back in a manual transmission. I've been looking forward to this car a lot, even if it's not like really a sporty manual, which is a good thing though, because most people that are going to buy this Sentra probably aren't going to expect a Shelby or Porsche manual transmission. You know, something that's easy on the to daily, which this certainly is. It's pretty smooth. So even if you're not an expert driver, like I said, I haven't driven manual in 5 years. 5 years, what am I saying? In 2 years. Take it. Or not? Okay. In 2 years, and I have not stalled it once, so it's actually pretty easy to use. The thing I noticed though with this transmission is that if I give it gas and now I go off the off the gas and instantly go onto push the clutch in, I go off the clutch, it goes like the revs still go higher, which is a bit weird if you want to upshift, especially if you're accelerating. Like the more gas you give it, right? There's like a little delay in the throttle response, but like not as the engine is delayed. Kind of like the input is delayed. That's what it feels like. So yeah, that's just something you'll have to get used to if you're used to other manual transmissions. It's not really an issue or a problem, just characteristic. Otherwise, the interior is actually not that bad considering the price, but that's all I'm going to say about this, because there's a review for that. still working on this parking lot, so we're just gonna, once again, do a little stop right here. Okay, that was a quick POV drive here in the Nissan Sentra SR. And yeah, like I said, you can find the whole review in the top right hand corner. I will go out here in a second. Just want to wait for that taxi to go by. And yeah, like I said, the full review is in the top right hand corner or on your screen, probably on the lower end right now for you. So yeah, that's the 2021 Nissan Sentra SR. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope I will see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.